Let's drive together. We've been doing a lot of digging, but it's all good. So join me, let's drive. It's a short drive here in Minnesota, day after winter storm. Zoom a little bit, not too much. The main streets are fine, just wet right now, but the side streets have not been plowed, not cleaned yet of snow. So I hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining me here live, driving in Minnesota the day after winter storm. As you can see, the main street looks fine. No issues at all. At some point I'm gonna leave the main street so you can see what the side street looks like. Lots of snow on the ground. I'm gonna take a side street over here so I can show you. Slippery. Yeah, I see the difference between the side streets and the main streets. Obviously, they start cleaning, snow plowing the main streets. These ones seem like they went through, I think. I'm not sure. Give a like, smash that like button and subscribe if you are not subscribed. If you are, thank you so much for your support. Continue watching our videos. You can leave a comment, but be kind.